If you think AI is only for tech experts or young people, you're going to be very surprised because right now, thousands of adults over 50 are using AI every single day to make their life easier. There's no coding involved and no building robots, just using it for everyday things. Now tell me you cannot come up with a few things that you would like to hand off to somebody else to do. So in this episode of AI After 50, I'm going to show you 7 simple ways people our age are already using AI daily. And you know the best part? Every one of these is something you can start using right now. So let's take a look. One of the simplest things you can do is to have AI help you do some meal planning. Maybe you're just looking for a healthier meal plan. Create a simple 5-day dinner plan for 2 people trying to eat healthy. AI can give you meal ideas and recipes and even a grocery list. There's no flipping through those old cookbooks if you even have them anymore or searching on recipes for hours. Look at this grilled chicken and veggie bowl. Isn't that look amazing? All of that from a simple prompt. Now, maybe you need help explaining a confusing topic because let's face it, at my age, there's so much that goes on in the world that I have no idea, even sometimes with AI. So I can ask AI to explain something to me, very simple terms. Explain Medicare Part D in very simple terms. And there we go. It will go into some very specific details and help you understand that much better. Maybe you're needing help writing an email, so I can ask it to help me write a polite email asking for a meeting next week with my boss. And it's going to think quickly, and within seconds, it's going to give a basic outline. Now, you don't have to stay with this, but it will give you somewhere to start. So let's move on to the next one. How about travel planning? Oh, summer's coming. Maybe you've got some great travel plans, but going through the internet can be exhausting if you have so many options available to you. Create a 5-day travel plan for Nashville with relaxing activities that include activities for children under the age of 10. Sometimes we're traveling with grandkids, and it's awesome if we can find things that they can do as well. So here we are, kid-friendly. Here's a 5-day Nashville itinerary with kid-friendly fun. Day 1, it even breaks down what you can do in the afternoon, in the evening. Isn't this crazy? How much time did this just save you? And you know, in my world, time is everything. Learning something new on the internet with AI is so fast. You could ask it to summarize books for you. Maybe you want to learn something about history, understand health topics. Explain to me the origin of Easter. Easter is a holiday both for Christian and pre-Christian roots. Isn't this amazing? And it will give you everything. And if you wanted to ask more follow-up questions, if you come down to the bottom after it's done, if you want to break this down, why the date of Easter changes every year, see, it gives you even more information that maybe you haven't thought about, but it is a great tool to learn something new. Now, what about organizing your day? Because listen, sometimes this granny brain needs some help. So let's just ask ChatGPT, help me organize my day tomorrow. And it is going to come up with a clear, structured, and realistic plan. Look at this. In the morning, it even gives you time frames. I don't know about you guys. I'm up early, but maybe some people don't like an early wake up. So you can ask it to reframe your plan based on different times of the day. Or maybe you don't get up until 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning. But isn't this wonderful? Maybe there's some physical things you want to do or meetings, and you could just put it all in here, and it is fabulous for doing that. One of my other favorite ways of using ChatGPT is to come up with ideas. For example, maybe hobbies, gift ideas, questions to ask a doctor. Let's try. Give me 5 ideas that I can do with my grandkids under the age of 10 for Easter. And it's going to, here's some 5 fun, low-stress Easter activities that work great for kids under 10. This is so Sometimes I just don't have time to think through, or maybe we just do the same things over and over again. Here, it will show you some different ideas, maybe something you've never thought about. Sometimes we just need help getting the ideas flowing, and you can take it from here. Now, here's something important that I want you to remember. You don't need to know everything about AI. I'm learning new stuff every day. You just need to know how to ask it good questions. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about in the next episode. So now I'm curious about you. Which one of these would you actually like to try? Are you interested in meal planning, maybe explaining confusing topics, writing some emails? Maybe you're going to plan that vacation for this summer, or maybe you're just using it for learning new things. Or if you're like me, need a little help with organizing your day or brainstorming some new ideas. Drop what you're going to do in the comments. And if you want simple AI lessons that actually make sense, subscribe and follow the AI After 50 series, because the digital rebels are just getting started. Digital Rebel Granny out.